Or do you think you beat me or what?
Yeah.
Go.
Gotta go fast.
How many zip codes is that? Alright, 3, 2, 1.
That's a lot of damage.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What are you doing? Alright, finally. Okay, I'm going now.
Fast as fuck, boy.
I mean, you're definitely faster. Check out Cartakus.com. Use code YouTube to get 15% off of your order. Anything you purchase helps the channel. Drop a like and a comment down below on which item you'd like to see in the giveaway. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Here comes the VTEC. Keep going.
This guy, you're like a mile away. This thing's too cheese as is. I was kind of enjoying messing with this thing last time. Alright, this thing's looking pretty properly gutted, I guess. Let's run it back.
Hold on, almost done.
Okay. Man, you've been making changes for like 10 minutes. You better beat me.
I'm gonna try and beat you without any boost or nitrous. All motor 4-cylinder.
How? Like, which engines are you finding that you can just mod to infinity? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I broke my dash shaft.
Alright, we both blew up. Okay.
I forgot I put this rowdy, like, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, and I didn't do any supporting mods. I'm gonna just put a drive shaft in this thing, see what happens.
I'm just gonna up the RPM limit if I can. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
This guy. Okay. Oh, I just went in stage 1 performance long block, and I actually did it. Keep going. I'm catching you. Oh, you know what? We should add like a brick wall or something over here, so we know like when we're done.
I had a nice little old lady say, "You're so sweet for being patient with me." I said, "Pleasure."
Damn, why you flirting with old ladies too?
You always gotta butter up the old ladies, you know?
Bro, stop.
Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Making all that noise, but ain't going nowhere. It sounded like someone screaming for some reason. My God. That scared me. Oh, that did a lot of damage. I thought that would stay in place.
My tire popped at 200.
What is this? Oh. Yeah, alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad. Wait, look at that thing that I added right there. Oh my God.
Yeah, I made it through.
Oh, that's violent, actually. I'm just go higher with RPM. Dang, that's supercharger. 40 pounds of boost. Piston rings damaged. Yeah, you can just hear that thing like whirring away.
Okay, this motor's too loud. I'm gonna change it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna change one thing. Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go.
My clutch is gone. Oh, engine blew up. Couldn't handle 12 pounds of boost.
Yeah, I don't think you can beat this truck the way it is right now. I mean, if you weren't blowing up.
Yeah, I'm not. Look, you ready? Let's go.
You already modded your car a whole bunch since then. Alright, whatever, let's go. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. You're gonna make it, huh? Yeah, I think I know what I need to do. Yeah, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. I think these tires are worse. Sheesh! Yeah, these tires are definitely worse for that.
Hey, come check out my car. It's pretty cool.
That's okay. Oh, did you make it through? Oh, what the heck?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Definitely made it. Look what's left of my car.
Oh, is your car just like standing still?
Just go whenever.
Alright, sure. Jeez. Alright, I gotta do more to build this thing. Hey, yo? Whoever gets crushed first. Oh, crap. My car down. We knocked it over. I wonder what happens if you run into that now. Alright, I think I know what I gotta do to my car.
That thing looks like an efficiency apartment from New York. Look how big the inside of it is.
Give me some... It's not giving me any... Oh, here you go. Racing slicks, maybe?
Robin?
No, those are racing slicks. Grip ball, race rear tires. I don't think that's it. Is it? Oh, yeah, that's kind of it. Okay, I'm ready. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I need more grip. The engine locked up. I couldn't take it. Front wheels? Oh my god, those are tiny wheels.
Hey, someone else put up on us.
Yeah.
Ooh, motor blew up.
This thing's spinning more and more. Man,
That Chevy 250 didn't like that.
this car really can't do much. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I didn't even realize this thing's all-wheel drive. Alright, whatever. That's the best I got. I don't know if that's better or not. I don't think so. I mean, this is pretty good for a drag truck, I guess. What the I hit it. I hit that ramp the wrong way and the entire truck is gone. I just have the frame and the engine. No way it still drives. When the Dude, look at this. You see this? Oh my god. Let's see if I can drive to you. What are the odds of this happening? Oh my god. This thing's completely drivable. What are the chances of that happening? I wonder what happens when you get fed into this real slowly. Oh, that's not bad. Oh yeah. Oh, you could reverse into it. No? Oh. It's kind of cool to just... Oh. How'd you do that?
You just go to body and you put empty.
Oh, okay. Hey, you know what? That'd be kind of funny if we did like bodiless drag racing. Like ultimate weight reduction.
Like, we should go see how much they weigh without a body on them.
Oh, this thing's way faster without a body.
I didn't weigh mine before, so it's a bad car.
I'm hitting way faster speeds now. Holy crap. Okay, this is the next oh. This is the next meta right here.
This thing is 3,900 pounds.
Oh, did it change it? Let's see if it's working for me now. Whoa, no way. It's still like 3,400 pounds?
Oh yeah, mine dropped to like 1,500 pounds, almost 2,700.
Sheesh. Alright, mine gained like 2,000 pounds. I'm gonna spawn my drag car and see how it does without a body. Body? Body. Oh, I can't take the body off. Weak. I can't take the body off of this car. I guess because it's not a body on frame. Oh, that makes sense.
Oh my god, look at mine.
What the heck? You added like a roll cage and you were able to take off the body?
Something like that. Oh, I do left, so the thing despawned.
Oh, weak.
Dropped like probably like close to 800 pounds doing this.
Let's run it back.
You ready?
Yeah. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Your car launched even harder this time. I'm ready when you are. Thing's starting to look like a top fuel dragster. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Sheesh. Oh my god, you're zooming. How fast are you going?
290.
I barely hit 300 like towards the end.
I hit 290 before I hit the end of the finish line.
That's crazy. We really are building like those top fuel dragsters. Alright, let's go again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Oh crap. I hit your car. Sorry. What are you, you're still going.
Okay, hold on. You want to see the top fuel dragster? I got you.
Yeah.
I'll make it one real quick.
Like at this point, they would put on the like that hard plastic shell or whatever over the entire thing.
You know, this whole time I didn't even have the nitrous on and it was doing 280. Okay, this is the motor run. Ready?
Alright.
Oh, my bad. I forgot I gotta...
Alright. I'm ready when you are.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god!
340.
Holy crap, what? I can't drive from that view, hold up. Alright, let's run it back again. 340 in the
Okay.
quarter?
Yeah. Hold on, let me put nitrous on. Okay.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god.
I got 320 that time.
Let's just keep running it back. 3, 2, 1. I just need to get a good run. Man,
346.
you just shed so much weight, like.
If I get 400.
Oh my god.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, man, sorry. Oh my god.
So I can shed some more weight. Give me 1 second.
What could you possibly do to shed more weight?
The radiator's being held on by hoses. You see that?
Alright, yeah, I'm ready. Oh! Alright. Oh my
Okay, let's go to the highway. I think we can get 400 if I do that.
See if you can get 500.
Oh no.
That thing looks wild.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Go whenever you want.
Alright. Oh, come on. Alright. No!
I got 370 and the thing just like did a backflip. Oh, I went into the ocean.
Alright, let's try and go again. Come on, catch me.
And it seems like way too little, not enough weight.
Need some kind of downforce now or what? What if you add like a spoiler? Alright.
390, 400.
Alright, let me spectate your car when you do that. Respawn.
Okay, you know how to spectate my car, right?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're there.
Yeah, I'm watching. Oh my god. You gotta hit 500.
I mean, I can't think that's the most. I think after 400, my steering stopped working. It's like my tires look. I mean, I don't really have much more.
If you had like a small spoiler, I think that would help.
Bro, let me try something real quick.
That and even bigger tires, like.
I think I can get to 500. Ready? Hold on, give me a second. Need more nitrous. 6 stages of it.
6 2,000 shots or what?
No, 6 5,000 shots. Look at the frame just getting destroyed when I floor it.
Yeah, what is that? You finally destroyed it.
That was literally like just bumping, tapping the throttle. Like, watch, like I'm gonna ease into it. Watch, you see my tap when I bump it. Ready? Ready?
What the heck? So much power, not even metal can hold it.
It's making what 6 times 4? It's what 30?
It's like a
probably like
spaceship.
35,000 horsepower.
On my screen, it sounds like an EV. Yeah, there you go. Ease into it. Go, 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 go. Let me see. I have an idea.
You saw I almost hit 500.
Oh, you did? Man, I wasn't even watching. Sheesh. The car couldn't take it anymore. Just spontaneous combustion.
Said I boss him head out.
I'm tired, boss. $400? Oh my god. Holy crap.
Bro, this isn't wrecking for like a mile
Oh my
probably. Hey, the motor still works. What the? God.
I added more power to the rockets. I wish you could add these rockets to anything. Holy
Which is a
crap.
mod
I'm
for-
going 450. I'll catch you.
Watch out, watch out!
I got RQ'd.
Don't forget to check out Cartakus.com. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want to see a giveaway. Thanks for watching, and see ya.